Every morning, AI helps us move a little faster, but the things that matter were never about speed. Every morning begins with 100 small choices. Today, I have a little help. It remembers. It predicts. It creates.
T.
Artificial intelligence can read data. It can find patterns. It can answer almost anything. It can even write the code that runs our world. But it still can't hear the silence behind a smile. It can't pour someone a cup of tea when the words won't come. It can't replace kindness. It can't replace friendship. It can't replace being human. AI makes us smarter. Humanity makes us unforgettable.